Oh man,
All right. Make sure we're live.
I'll be the one.
Yeah. We're good. We're good.
Are we?
Yeah, we're ripping.
All right.
Fired
Cool.
up.
What's up,
Fired up,
everyone?
Cade. Start us off.
What's up? What's up? What's up? 10 bot squad. G Bulla. G Bulla. First comments. That's extra bullish for
Man,
the show right here.
Yeah,
G
man.
Bulla.
He was ready. Yeah, ready to
Bro,
go.
he was active. This
Yeah.
guy was.
He was
definitely-
waiting for you to go live.
lurking.
Bro, his
Lurking. It was
first name
like the
was
time.
Corgi.
Yeah.
His first name is Corgi, and his second name, and his last name is Active. Corgi Active. Oh man, the second
good.
comment is Yo G Bulla. Dude, this thing's gonna moon during this
Oh,
stream.
here we
Take
go.
it right
Here we
now,
go.
dude.
The
Come
All right,
on.
what's
bull.
let's go real quick down the path, real quick from the bottom up on
Let's
this panel.
go.
We'll start with Seuss. What token are we
Yo.
most interested in paying attention to this stream?
Oh, no.
I can only look at ABD, man. That's where my full bag is. I have 85% of my portfolio on ABD. Call me stupid. I don't care. I'm extra bullish in there, you know? So let's freaking go, man. ABD almost all-time high. All right.
Yep.
And
Yep, they are.
we were talking about it. What's your sale target and stuff like this for ABG? I think I'm looking at like 5M to. I definitely want to cash out some profit because I have a lot of near luck in there, and in a way I don't want near to like start mooning. But ABG is like raising up a little bit, little by little, because I lose some on near. When if I will start taking profit, but man, that chart look freaking beautiful. You know,
Well,
like
Seuss, the one thing that's interesting to me is that typically in the rotation, the alts will pump first, and so near hasn't fully
Uh-huh.
gigasent yet. And then it's usually after that point that people pull their profits, then jump into these meme coins. So we really
Yeah.
like, to use the term, ain't seen nothing yet in this market. Like quite literally, we ain't seen nothing yet in this market at all. Not even kind of. These coins are going to be worth so much at some point. It doesn't mean you can't get wrecked right now, short term. In these short term trades, you can still go up and down like 100%. However, like long term, dude, I mean, depending on how bullish you are near, you could look at a $10 near, a 15, 20, all the way to hundreds of dollars of near, you know, and then you look at the alt or the meme coins below them, just while near is up, will be up tremendously. But then when people take their profits out of near and say, okay, now what can I throw my money into and really make some extras of my money? They dump it into the meme coins. The meme coins have a few months or a few weeks to play, and then maybe we see NFTs again. But it's gonna be crazy, dude.
you know something. Yeah, you're right. I think we had a talk, me and you, when we did the podcast on Redacted. Remember, and you said what's your price prediction for near? I'm really for this year. I'm just looking to break the previous highs that we reached earlier this year, which was around $9 ish. You know, and then I'm looking to get a new all-time high by next year for near protocol, dude.
Dang.
Everything lines up perfectly for near. Like, I don't think we were in position before to that we line up with what actually everyone in Web3 looking at, which is the AI narrative. Okay, near perfectly fit in there. We have solid meme coins that coming as an AI meme coin. You have, of course, Purge, which it's getting listed into Get.io, right? Then you will start looking at the OG's meme coins in the space, where we are talking about like Neko, Black Dragon, Shih Tzu, and all of these coins are switching their they are kind of trying to align with Near Protocol as an AI, and then we just see it up from there, like even the new coins that every project in Near is trying to align as an AI, and we maybe be fully switching to an AI chain in terms of like usability or user case, where you can use an agent to try to do a lot of things in Near Protocol. But yeah, I'm pretty
Dang.
excited, man. I think we are strapped in, guys. We are in for a
Strap
good
in?
treat. But yeah, strap
Oh,
in,
boy.
man. Strap in. But Odin in the chat, man.
Hey.
Shout out to
Yo.
Odin. Love Odin, man. Been here for so long. I remember even having a podcast with Odin like 2 years ago. Still building. And the Bula guys in the chat. Hello, Bula guys. We are getting raided by Bula, man. Today
Every time.
you cannot escape the bulls, man. The bulls are
They're
here.
back. So wait, so
They
so
back.
are we here? Are you saying that Zach was right when he said we just need to survive the weekend, get to Monday, and we'll be back? Was Zach right? Like,
Oh,
what are we thinking?
definitely.
Zach?
Hashtag Zach was right. What a surprise once again, right?
Why don't you jump in, Zach? Where are you
Yeah.
at with everything? What do you
No,
think?
I think we have a lot of things that we can cover beyond just obviously we'll do a little bit of chart talk. I think we'll do a little we'll check in on the memes and do some of that circuit as well. But I think we can look into some, while we have these next couple of days, looking into the ref staking and what people can do in there as it's kind of time to make moves over the next couple of days and seeing kind of how that unfolds. And one thing that I want to do this stream is challenge the community, right? Is that whoever I want to start seeing some more memes. I mean, we had some great shit coming in, to be honest with you, over the last couple of days. And whoever puts out the best meme during this stream, I'll be sending you some sort of airdrop of meme coins.
wow.
So,
Wow.
I'll send some Nikos from my end.
Yeah.
Oh,
right.
wow.
So here we go.
A
You have
2x.
from now. You have from now
2x
till the
of
end of the
rewards.
stream. But you have from now till the end of the stream to make the best meme. It could be show related. It could be, you could be shilling your own stuff. I know that the Bullish Bulls they posted some pretty funny stuff in here as well. So yeah, however you do, get it to us. Get the best meme for us. Get it to us. Make sure we see it. Make sure it's during the stream. And yeah, we'll see. We might get Monza to ape in and throw down one of his big his monster bags in there too, but no guarantees there.
You can have all of my entire bag of touched.
Yeah. Oh, that's another thing. Yeah. So yes, still very bullish on Purge. I think we can maybe do a little speculating on whatever the phase 2, whatever the second chapter is of where the Purge story is going.
Did you see we have a new agent?
Yeah.
Agent
Yeah. Right.
9.
Right. We could get in there. We can check some of that out a little bit. We can maybe do a little roundtable confession. Any sins that anyone maybe has racked up over the weekend on this Sinner Sunday, and just kind of keep it going from there.
We need to get Monza to confess live, man. Ever since the thing happened, Monza is refusing to confess. We need to get him to confess today.
Not happening.
Today,
Nope, not
Monza.
happening.
Today, Monza
this
is
is-
confessing. Yeah,
Dang,
I got a drop of a
Yeah.
Trump token on my
Yo,
Yeah.
yo, price prediction
prediction.
here is infinity.
Bearish.
Yo, we're
Bearish
going to June.
on Monza confession.
Yeah,
That's
I-
All for 3 near price prediction, guys. I say we break
Infinity
the
is
previous
fun.
highs this
Infinity
year and the new all-time high next year. Zach,
FUD. That's FUD.
Infinity is FUD.
Anything under 100 is FUD.
Hey, what are
you
we
seen-
thinking about this 1 month chart of near? Look at this, bro. Hold on. Do you see this 1 month chart? Just the most casual, chill guy walk up a hill, just up only. The 1 year chart, here's what we're looking. I haven't even come back to those prices where like everything was flying, dude. Like Nico was like up at 1,000x or something crazy like that. Like, dude.
I think, have you seen, guys,
Gonna
the
get
post
nutty.
where it says, have you seen the post where like they write if near protocol to have the same market cap as Solana, that will put it around $90 something. So realistically speaking,
Whoa.
I was gonna say,
Okay.
I don't know if that's realistic. Like, let's.
yeah, I know. Realistically speaking, we can get like half of it, right? Easy with the next year. So talking about $30-40, easy. That's realistic. That's where we are talking realistic, right? So guys, listen up. once Near get to that high, okay, all of us here now, people who's in the panel, people who's watching, people who's trying to throw his 5 Near into a freaking meme coin or 10 Near and hit 1,000x to it, which by the way can happen. Okay, shout out to Grogs and Hijack. I threw 10 Near in there. I got out to 50. It happens. Okay, in like it happens. It happens, right? But once Near hit $30-$40, okay, you're talking about all of us here having enough liquidity to like start, trading in the chain, start like buying things. Like we just get richer with the chain. You know what I'm saying? So that's a thing to think of. Hold your Nears very tight, guys. Please gamble responsibly and
There we
definitely don't copy trade me.
Now the show can
Yo,
begin. We
what's
have
up,
Crypto
Braxton?
Crackster in the house. Monzo, where are you at with
Yeah.
everything, bro? What coin are you paying attention to?
I'm paying attention to the one you're looking at right now, Bitcoin. Like
Bitcoin?
everyone else. Near
Ranging. Just chilling.
XRP was insane, dude, and the meme potential is also it's crazy there. If you've been on TikTok,
Dude,
recently.
XRP is number 3.
I want to
Holy
kind of kick
smokes.
myself to the face, man, for not
Holy
holding my
Yeah,
XRP back.
Bro,
XRP to
XRP is
$225,000. So if you think XRP can't go to $225,000, you obviously haven't seen the video that I've seen.
Come on, what are we doing here?
You
Wow.
didn't see it.
You're
You obviously
insane,
didn't see the video I saw, Zach.
This is
It actually got community.
this
noted.
stuff about
It's
this
a-
XRP is making me feel like we're
world.
at the top. Like this is like a top signal when I'm starting to hear some of this XRP shit that people. I don't know.
Nah, TikTok is a wild place
TikTokers
for
found it,
crypto, man.
Man, oh
They started
man.
memeing it.
Yeah, so
No, TikTok is like really wild for price prediction. I've seen some short videos like someone put USDT at $5. What the fuck you're talking about? Well, what's that? But yeah, it is what it is. I always listen. The problem with XRP, like people will tell you it's better to hold into other coins because you would have got a better return than holding into XRP. I mean, you still didn't get in. Like it took 2 cycles for XRP to even like pump.
Yeah, but they
a
could have
good-
penny farmed all the
you know?
airdrops too, Flare and all
Exactly,
the
that's
other-
why
yeah,
you, like,
you could
holding
have
it
all
was-
these. You could have like 18 dozen, $5 bags right now that just stack those to the moon.
it's kind
Yeah,
of how I'm
but
doing the alts. I just sprinkled a lot that I know
Yeah.
are gonna do decent, not too terribly like parabolic, but are less risky. And I'm like, okay, if like 70% of these pump decently, I should do well this cycle. So Crypto Crash was talking about Dovu. Okay, so let's.
I'd like to hear what Crypto Crackster's bullish on. But all the coins.
Talking about an
Give us
RWA.
all the coins. Give us your
Just-
list.
What are you bullish on besides the meme stream?
Who are you
Hey,
asking?
Stacy?
I don't
Near
wanna hear
hero
it.
people. All right, here we go.
Yeah.
People are starting to trickle in here. So
Yo.
yeah, just want to kind of revisit for anybody who wasn't here already. Yeah, airdropping some meme coin bags to whoever has the best meme over the course of the stream. So you have from now till the end to get your submissions in. So if you like free tokens, especially meme coins, which if you don't, I'm not really sure why you're watching at this point, but yeah, you'll get a nice little bag. Zeus.
Let's get it.
Yo,
Memes.
Yeah.
So,
yo.
Speaking of which, speaking of memes, here's one thing I was thinking is, ducked, like close.
Oh, come on, man.
Yeah,
Can we pull up
well,
that
yeah.
chart,
all right.
man? Let's
See,
go.
that's what I'm saying. Let's
Dude,
get into it.
please don't. Please don't.
Right. So
If you tell me duck 3 times, I made collapse in the stream.
So no,
I'm not hating, man. I just
Zeus,
lost so much money believing on this.
no,
I swear.
I am.
How much did you
hating.
lose, sis? How much did you lose?
I lost over $600 on this shit.
So
So
did I. I lost a lot.
When
I
I
am
sell
fine.
it start pumping. When I sell
I
it start
lost a
pumping.
lot.
That's what's annoying,
Bro, Seuss. But then you can't get mad at us and then take your bag with Juicy Lucy and walk away. Juicy Lucy pumped
Nah.
so much.
No,
on
I
that
took
stream,
my
bro.
losses.
Come
I
on.
remember I put a lot of Nero into duct, and then I said, "Fuck it, man!" I sold it and I put it on ABG, and I think I'm gonna break even now with my losses there. So, I don't know what's going on with duct. You know, like, listen, I don't believe a seasonal meme works. Okay, it's a freaking turkey on the Thanksgiving day. That's it. You know.
So this is
And
what I was
I
gonna
told
say.
you yesterday, sorry, Zach. I told you yesterday, Duct is gonna pump again if it got a shout out from one of the Echo, right?
No,
and
no, no.
Delta Trade came up and say we listed Duct for Delta Trade, and it started pumping. Literally, I was looking at it when it was all the way down.
Oh my god, bro! It's at all-time highs.
All right.
Zach,
So
don't agree.
Oh my
What's up,
god!
Zach?
here's my problem with
What's
Duct right now. Is like, look, they,
Bro.
they say, hey, they went over, they turned it over to the community now, whatever. That's classic standard
It's at
disclaimer.
all-time highs.
Um,
I'm sorry.
yeah,
Sorry. I'll go
yeah,
back to
easy,
Duct.
kid. Come on, stay on topic here, kid. We
It's
got to flame Duct here real quick, and maybe hopefully what I'm actually hoping to do is it's more of a call to action than a roasting here, right? So
Sam's.
the-
Zach's about
the
to pull the I'm
Thanksgiving
only
turkey-
disappointed card.
Yeah. like the Thanksgiving turkey is already roasted in that, so we
Oh.
don't need to like continue roasting. But what we're doing now is we have the standard disclaimer. Oh my god, like community takeover. We're gonna run. Great, sounds great. So far, all we've seen out of this community takeover is just a constant stream of tweets to people saying, "Oh my god, everything would just be fixed if we just get a shout out from Ilya. If you could just tweet us, if you could just do this."
Oh, so you're saying it
Please,
sounds desperate.
Oh my god, it sounds desperate. It is desperate. How about this?
Oh.
How about instead of just going around begging for retweets, why don't you do something interesting? Why don't you change your logo? Why don't you make something cool? Why don't you do something that actually people might want to pay attention to? And then you can get some upward momentum. Maybe stop going around with your hand out begging for retweets. That's my take on Duct right now.
Exactly. So far, Duct only pulled its strength because the Echo is tweeting about it, guys. Come on. It's a freaking duck, chicken roasted, whatever you call it, turkey for a Thanksgiving. You either meme it properly or you leave it.
Right.
There is no other thing.
Come on our
Right?
show. Yeah, come on our show. Tell us what the plans are. Like, tell me I'm wrong. Come in here and tell me I'm wrong. Make some cool memes. Make something funny, and tell me what the plans are for this quote unquote community takeover. How about that?
Someone just sold.
Oh, really?
Anyway, guys. Anyway,
Bro, they were like,
okay.
they forgot they had a bag.
They were like,
I'm so dead.
if
That's
I see
so funny.
another sale or buy, guys, I will know
Oh,
like someone is from the chat
It's Zach.
doing it.
Dude.
But
I'm
listen,
so
listen. All what I want to see now is Juicy Lucy. Can we go to Juicy Lucy?
right.
We dropped
That's-
you this alpha yesterday,
Sure.
guys. Okay.
dead. He bought
We
it.
told
bro,
you
literally
buy.
right here. Right,
We were
literally here.
at the bottom there. Yes, I told you this gonna be a good AI narrative product
Bro,
behind
Zeus
Juicy Lucy.
rugs all of us to make this happen.
What? Listen. I give you the right calls here, guys. We, the community, did it. I need to jump into this meme with Zach. But anyway,
Bro, we
Juicy
were about
Lucy,
to
man. I think
send with sinners, bro. That was the play. That was the play, and you rugged us midstream, bro. This was the Cabal's decision, and you rugged the Cabal.
everyone started dumping sinners to go and buy Juicy Lucy.
Dude, that was pretty funny, though.
That
No,
was
that was actually
funny.
hilarious. Yeah, that was
funny,
pretty
man.
bad. No, that was funny.
I'm
Yo,
bullish on
by
what
the
Mario
way,
is building.
Zach,
Yeah.
Zach, what's going on with Purge, bro? What are we going up? I mean, you can see my bearish bullish case here, but what happened to Purge, bro? Like this thing had all this momentum and just froze.
For one, there's a
It's
lot of
just been
lines
down
on
only.
here there's a lot of imaginary lines on here for one. So
Oh.
we can get these out of here. Yeah. So that downward trend isn't there. That's
Oh wait, this
that's
is the
fairy
real
tale
chart.
land.
That's
This
a
is the
yeah.
real chart.
Yeah,
Okay.
exactly.
Here's
There we
really
go.
where we are,
Thank you.
guys.
Yeah.
This
right.
is where we are. It's macro or massively bullish, bro. Let me look
Yep,
at this.
this-
Up only.
Yeah, and you know what? And it actually would be probably a good first step for Duck.
One day
They could
chart.
get into the confessional booth and just confess some
Oy,
sins
oy,
and like
oy.
get put on the right path there.
Zach, this is brutal, bro.
Looks like we're about to take the next leg up.
Oh, really?
What's brutal?
We could
What's
bounce
so
from here.
brutal here?
It is a weak candle right here. You're right.
It was
There's a pretty
they
weak
got
candle.
the exchange dump, right?
They're running out of
that's,
cell. They're running out of cells.
Yeah.
They're literally running out of cells. Otherwise, we'd be dumping. So
Agent
that's
number
interesting.
9's here. Like, dude, we're about to go crazy. We got double
I
agent.
think I think if we hold the next support, we're going for a next leg up. To be honest,
Guys, you
listen, man.
just have a gallon
what-
jug.
I
I'm
mean-
not leaving my room for 12 hours. I need this jug to drink water all day.
like this thing was launched when we were in Thailand and we're at 24.5 million. You know, I think people need to maybe keep some expectations in check. It's already been on a missile towards the moon, right?
Yeah.
Up until now, they're doing some pretty cool stuff from a content perspective, as we've covered from time to time. I think there's appears to be more on the horizon with that. And I'm going to keep tuning in. I mean, I think it's interesting. It's a cool narrative. It's a cool theme, and you know, it gives us an outlet and a place for sinners to go and lay their sins down at the feet of the Father.
Love it. Love it.
Monza,
Love the synopsis
are you
there.
ready for your confession today, man?
Not happening.
Not happening.
You're not gonna confess.
No, dude, not happening. I've made my confessions. I've sent my purge to the vault. I have confessed to the sins that
You need that's the
am
thing, man. You build up a sin
regretful
every week.
man, dude, I'm not confessing. Dude. Not happening. I'll buy duct before I confess. I got 10 year on duct right now. My God.
Oh my god, we have a real sinners here, guys. We have
Yeah.
the real sinner in here.
So I tweeted it last
Oh.
night. Dude. I'm a
Man, oh
sinner.
man.
Well, whoever's cheating fucking ABG right now, you're a sinner too. Let's see.
Oh, someone cheating.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
It's fine. I mean,
You know,
Well,
Stacy,
look like
sorry,
me.
Stacy,
here's the thing that I'll say with ABG, and again, not just on a big like roast ranting session here, but you know, have we seen much from them as far as just like posts or any type of content at all? Like
I don't think there even is like an account. It's just like
there
Erica.
is. There is, and I'm not talking about her because I don't expect her to you know drop all other responsibilities and just make her sole purpose you know pumping this token. Like by no means do I have that put that responsibility on her, but I felt like there would be more to I don't know what the expectations are, but it's hard when you're not doing anything else to continue to maintain. But maybe they're working back channels. I mean, maybe there are still you know, they're on-ramping people, they're getting people in through from Solana, and maybe I'm just not privy to the communication lines.
Very possible. Very
It could be a
possible.
blind spot. It could be a blind spot of mine. I'm open to that.
Yeah, I'm not sure what to expect. It just keeps like showing buy strength, and I don't know where it's coming from, except from this. Just sounds like it's coming from other memes. So I'm like, all right, like I guess we're just game. It's just gonna keep going up. Like until I see the buy strength just start fading entirely, where we just stop seeing big buys and holding of the line. I'm like, yeah, I mean we're at bullish momentum. Every single low is like met with a higher low. It's like another higher low. Like look, we just got rejected at the all-time high. And we got rejected multiple times along the way, and each time with a higher high or higher low and a higher high. And I was like, okay, this is great. Like we're gonna sit here, we're gonna start to chill out here around the top, and we'll push through. What are you laughing at, Monza?
Check out the comments. Check out we got a pretty good confession in here.
Oh yeah, no, I saw this earlier. I went to beat my meat, but forgot I have diamond hands. Now I no longer have a functioning PP. Thank you, Father. Peak tech. Yeah, that's. I was gonna say, like, you get AI, and what we really get is a
It's a
bunch of
gift for
people
having
making
diamond
AI
hands,
girlfriends. and sex jokes.
Man,
So
oh,
that's
man.
human nature
See,
there for you.
And look, that's another reason that I think I'm bullish on the confessionals here is because, when we start having AI girlfriends, there's going to be a lot of sins that are going to need to be
Whoa.
forgiven at that point. So
Yeah.
Yeah. Did you guys see this pump from Burrow Finance? We talked about them yesterday briefly, but
Brr.
nothing crazy. Hold on, they pumped a lot up. That's not a 4% pump. There's a lot more going on here. A bunch of big purchases. Interesting. Yeah, I mean, honestly, dude, Burrow's probably bullish. Like, I mean, they're out here. I don't really use them much, but they're always in like the near week videos and got a ton of money left up on their platform. So, yeah, I mean, do you guys have any thoughts on Burrow? Do you guys use Burrow? Like, is this a platform worth its salt, worth investigating a little bit, or not really?
It's a lending and borrowing platform.
Yeah.
So like you definitely need someone who knows what he's doing.
Right.
Do you know how you used it
use
before?
use
Sis?
that. I did use the borrow and lending before, but wasn't on Near. I use on ETH, L2s. I use on Solana, borrow and lending.
Yeah, I did a
but,
little bit.
Yeah.
And yeah, like Sue says, definitely need. I mean, always do your own research and all that, all the standard disclaimers there. But really, when it comes to that, I mean, it's like you could really end up kind of, I don't know. Make sure you know what you're doing, right? That's where I don't necessarily like to dabble as much in the lending and borrowing and all that stuff. I did do some of the lending when they were, pumping up certain incentives, but then you kind of have to really stay on top of it because they rotate around, I think, the percentages quite frequently. It seemed like where there was some stuff I had, not a lot by any means, but it was like, oh, I'll put this in. Then I went back and it was like getting 0%. It's like, great, I'm glad I had this in here for nothing. But then, they just, I don't know, they keep rotating the rewards and you just kind of have to stay on top of it. And I mean, for me, it's not something that I need to use, I guess, is the best way to put it. But I could see there's certainly benefits to people that would want to use that type of thing.
True.
Anyway, hey, while we're on that, Monza, Ref, give us the skinny on the Ref Finance situation and what we need to do over the next couple days.
I think I need the skinny probably from Seuss on the staking situation, because I know I think they made a change where you're able to unstake your current XREF that you have staked in memes and put them staked in other memes, because normally there's like a 10-day cooldown period where if you want to unstake your XREF, that you gotta like wait, or unstake your memes or XREF, you like gotta wait 10 days. So
yeah, so I just did this last night and there's no waiting. You unstake and it was available immediately. The things that I had voted previously.
you want to pull your screen up and we can just talk about it? Because if I share my screen,
I'd rather not, because it's like kind of showing all my, I don't know.
No, I got you. Yeah.
But what I will say is that, like I said, you go to yours, you unstake, and then let me see if because I think you can go ahead and vote now. So yeah, what that vote I have.
Or you're not sharing your screen?
Well, it would show how all the memes that he has staked.
Yeah.
Oh,
So
okay.
Yeah, show us, bro. Show us. Show us,
Listen,
man.
we want to make sure we
see.
maintain. No, we got to make sure we maintain. Like
a
we
little bit.
want to make sure people don't think that like Zach is royalty when they see his bags. They don't want to start. I don't want them to start treating him like he's a king or something. Be like, oh my god, like Zach is the biggest holder of Black Dragon. Oh my god, like what a big deal. But I want to be able to like walk through a Walmart and not get stopped for selfies and stuff like that. So that's my goal here with this show. So we'll keep his wallet.
You don't want to show us,
bro? Yo, did you not hear anything I just said? I want to protect Zach's anonymity, and you're out here saying show us.
Yeah, he's
Okay,
not-
I'll show you.
It's
I
fine.
don't. I don't mind. I don't have
But-
anything
What?
taken there. I don't
But
have anything
here's- I
taken
did-
there.
you know,
Sus is like, you better
um,
convince me if I'm going to do this. She said, please do. He
So,
says, okay.
so Zach,
I'm
what
trying
do
to
you-
find if there's no, because the deadline is December 5th.
This
Or the
time?
XREF. So the XREF voting deadline is December 5th. The meme voting deadline is December 6th.
Where's
So-
where's Purge at, dude? There's no way Purge doesn't qualify for this yet. Like it's
I don't
been-
know. Well,
Wait.
it
Let me
depends
share
because
screen
as they
here
say, they
and
have
see it.
changed the mechanics a couple times. Here, I'm clicking into the rules right now. I
Right.
can share my screen on this.
You can like
Oh,
disconnect
well,
your wallet,
this
is
Zach,
actually
and then stream it without the wallet.
I want to get some new memes in here, man. Come on.
Yeah, I'll bring
Also,
your
when am I gonna get
I'll bring
that?
your screen up if you share it.
I want that 100 ref that I was supposed to get for buying Duct. I'd appreciate if that got
So one
sent
one
out.
of the
What do you
new
mean?
rules, one of the new rules is to like I think you need to have a minimum of 100 vote from voters for you to be able to qualify, which is something I talk with
you guys
Escobar
see that?
about it. Yeah.
Can you guys see this? Okay. So
There you go.
to qualify
Okay.
for the next season. Okay, minimum market cap of 500K. The token must have at least 1,000 followers on X, active Telegram community. I mean, I don't know how you would quantify an active Telegram community, but
Yeah, it
Anyway.
exists.
yeah, right. Like we have one that has messages in it. Anyway, the token must have an active community with members engaging in conversations about the token across the market. Okay.
How you're gonna find that out?
Again, a very vague metric at best. Okay, here we go. The token must gather at least 100 votes to be eligible for the meme season. So Slime is saying Purge doesn't have an official Telegram. I'm not sure if that's true, and you can ask Monza about that because I'm not sure what you got kicked from. If
Yeah,
that
well,
was-
yeah. What was it that I got kicked from then?
and Seuss for that matter. I mean, maybe you can again, maybe that's not. You could say that's not their official. If there's a technicality, but okay, yeah, it says that it's unofficial. So. If they just change the wording in that description, would that like then make them eligible? I don't know. Again, that's
dumb, dude.
why-
If you're
that's-
supposed to be the leading AI meme coin on here, and we're going to be
Yeah.
doing all this stuff, and you can't because of a Telegram. Like, what are we doing,
Yeah.
guys?
Like we
Come
said,
on.
it's murky at best. Some of the metrics, but okay,
You want-
some
you
that
want
are
the-
some that are a little more clear. The token must gather at least 100 votes to be eligible, and if the token ranks in the top 5 of the voting but fails to secure 100 votes, it will be disqualified, and 6th ranked token will take its place. So, how would you?
What if the 6th rank doesn't have 100 votes?
That's what I'm like, how would it be in the top 5? I don't know. Maybe it's because you can vote with the XREF and then you vote with the meme.
Shout out
Somebody
Charlie.
out there smarter than us could probably help analyze this. So here we go. For meme community to be eligible, stake a minimum of 30, which I think there's some speculation that there, or at least there was, that maybe that number would be changing, maybe going up. Regardless, it will be locked for the duration of meme season 8. So that would be the entire
30
month.
days.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's a new thing. It wasn't 30 days before.
Yeah.
It was 5 days only.
Yeah. And again, right now, if you already have some in there, you can take it out right now. 5-day window to unstake their XREF starting the day after the season ends. During this period, XREF can be withdrawn without it. Oh, that's right now. So that's right now. I think this okay. because there was no cooldown period. Like I said, I did this last night and there was no cooldown at all. It gave it to me right away. The community can vote using XREF based on the amount they have staked. If user does not withdraw their XREF during the 5-day unstaking period, the XREF will remain locked for the next. Oh man, that's rough. So it will be locked for the next meme season to be eligible to vote with meme. Stake their meme and vote with meme. No strict requirement. Meme can be withdraw and stake directly without any delay or cooldown at all. So I don't know. Doesn't seem like a lot of major change. I mean, I don't know. Is there anything that really sticks
The major
out?
one is having 100 voters for you to qualify, because before there was no limit, and you will see whales, 5-6
Right.
people will throw like a big bag of of XREF and list any token they want. So now you have the community to actually decide, and that shows a community strength. That's a conversation I had with Escobar actually when I tweeted about it before. Like, there is seriously no way that we're gonna have, what token was that? I forgot. That we're gonna have this token listed, okay, over, for example, Shih Tzu back then, because
Just
two
gonna
of
share
them
your screen.
staked. Yeah, two of them staked. What do you call that? Over 140,000 of XREF. Only two, and they're gonna list their token, the token, because of that. So I think that was GNUF. Yeah, GNUF. So that's that, you know. And having 100, but one thing I don't understand. Now, Black Dragon qualify. Shih Tzu couple wallets should be okay. Long here need another 26 for it to qualify.
Look,
Gear,
all right,
of
hold on.
course. So you have like,
Someone
I would
explain.
say
Explain
say-
Lonk. Somebody explain what's the play here with Lonk. What's going on with Lonk? Is this worth investing? Like, they're active on the timeline. They're somewhat active, but like I don't know what's good with Lonk.
I had a
Hanzo, do
lot
you know
of
anything?
talk with Lunk
Sis?
before.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I had a lot of talk with Lunk before in Twitter and stuff like this, and they were pushing really hard. Then suddenly, out of the picture, Lunk disappeared for a very long time. But their validator was still running and had no issue. I used to stake all my NEAR with their validator. They have a 1% fee, which was like the cheapest on NEAR protocol. So I stake all my NEAR there, and then I pull it out lately because I wanted to, you know, go with different validators that are, you know, building on NEAR stuff like this. I think I unstake to stake with Shih Tzu staking validator, the one that you get the shitcoin with it. I forgot what it's called, but
Mhm.
again, they start surfacing back long before the redacted, right? You start seeing them coming back, and they have been around now after redacted as well. But I'm really not sure how the community strength is. I messaged them on X, they didn't answer me, so not sure really there what's going on with Lunk. But their validator is running, and that's that, you know. But yeah, you have like Black Dragon, Shih Tzu, and Gear. That's 100% they are going to do it. Then you have the last two spots, which you have like Lonk with 73 and Cat. Cat need around 58 votes to qualify.
Yep,
you
might be
know?
in trouble.
So these two are out already. If these two are out, Nico comes next, but Nico has 10. How Nico will qualify here when they have lower? So I guess it goes to like who have higher after disqualification. So if someone here have like 90
But
and this one has 74, I
that
think the
would make
90 will replace this one. Right? That's how it should be.
oh
But
no,
Nico
I
as
think
well.
Just leave it at 4 then, and just give the rewards to.
I think
Yeah, it's like, sure,
that would
that's
be more realistic. If you are setting a hard cap of 100, if it didn't meet, just leave it for the 3 people, the 3 coins, and let them farm it. I mean, that's an option as well. But if you want to get as much as possible, you will start going who have higher a bit. Nico definitely is not a strong shoot here. The thing with Nico, guys, and XREF, Nico, we have our own staking platform, which people earns a lot of staking reward from it.
Have you been staking for a while?
Huh?
Have you been staking for a while, or did you have to unstake at any point?
if you want to unstake your cookie, you will have to pay 3% fee. Okay, so when you stake your Nico in the cookie vault, you pay 3% fee, okay, for the staking pool, and that will go as a reward, right? So the more people they stake, the more fees goes into the rewards. That's mean the longer you stake, the more rewards you get, basically, right? So if anyone want to unstake now from Neko cookie from the Neko cookie pool, okay, and then try to do the XREF, he's gonna, if the next time he comes back to stake on Neko, they're gonna lose 3%. And if you are if you have 10 million, then you are losing 300,000. That's gonna take you about few months to get it back, you know. So the rewards there is pretty sick for Nico. And not only that, for Nico, you earn with the price of the cookies going up, the cookie and Nico ratio. I don't want to make it all about Nico, but for example, if you stake, okay, and one Nico, one cookie, okay, the more people stakes after you, the higher the cookie valuation will go. So when you convert it back to Nico, your cookies is actually a higher price. So also you earn from that. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know. We try to push it because some of the community member asked to push for ref, but I think everyone is just happy staking their Nico there. Then you have GNAF, GNIR, and for Ilya. I think this is not the updated list, guys. I think this is gonna be updated in the next three days. Yeah.
I feel like some of this is still stuck in the season 8 rules.
Yeah.
This
is the last season.
Just now, December the 1st, right now. So maybe, and most of the stuff, I guess they've released, it seems like on Mondays, or I don't know, maybe I'm making that up, but maybe we'll get more details on any updated rules tomorrow, later today, depending on where you're watching from. But yeah, I don't know. It's been, I don't know, at the very least, it's been, I've enjoyed it. I've enjoyed, reaping some of the rewards from these programs, but
yeah, BD have a very nice juicy reward and long as well. I don't know if that's like updated. I think I throw some. No, I don't have anything. I don't. To be honest, I don't participate. I did once. I think you can see here. I have some reward I didn't withdraw, but other than that, like. Let's see how the updated list will go, because we have some solid memes now, like meme coins out there. You got Purge, which there is no way Purge is not making it, man. Not with that market cap and liquidity.
Yeah, because there's nothing about. I mean, because remember before it was like, hey, the project has to be older than however, that's gone away now. So
you have Lunk and
the only
AVG.
thing, I guess, the only hang up would be what Slime was referencing. If on a technicality, they could say that they don't have an official Telegram channel, but
imagine disqualifying the toughest meme right now on Near Protocol because of an unofficial TG group. That will be stupid.
That would be a little bizarre, but I don't know. We've seen controversial acts before within this. There has been drama in the meme season competition over the course of the 8 seasons.
I dig my toes a bit on it, but everyone have their own opinion and a different opinion of how the meme season should go. And I as I said, I talked with Escobar about it in DMs, since he runs the DAO of Refinance. I think Rhyme as well is in the DAO. It's Escobar, Rhyme, Mario, Nathan X, I think, was added as well in there. And one Kudam, but I think Kudam is leaving and got replaced with one guy. There's one guy there. I don't know him. I haven't heard of him before. So yeah, that's the people in the DAO. AVB as well is in the DAO. Yeah, and then one more. As I said, I don't know who is he, to be honest. But yeah, we will see what they will cook, and we will wait for the updated one. They usually update it after like couple days, so maybe tomorrow or after tomorrow we can see an update of the tokens that may make it. I would love to see ABG there because I have a good bag. I may try and go for it. I'm holding anyway, so I may just get some some rewards what I'm holding the tokens, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, and the good thing is like you can unstake your token anytime. The memes, not the XREF, the meme coin you can unstake it anytime, right?
But I think
So
there's still a cooldown, right? I thought there's still you still have a
that's
little
what
bit
you
of
read a
cooldown.
while ago. They didn't say you can unstake your meme coin anytime.
I thought
XREF
there's
go
still
for
like
30.
there's still a few days. It's not long. I want to say it's like 5. There's a 5-day cooldown. Which depending on if you're, if you're swing trading, I mean, if you're long, if you're, overall bullish on Purge or ABG or whatever, then who cares? Throw it in there and let it ride. But if you're trying to swing trade, you could find yourself in some trouble having to wait 5 days if it were to start bleeding. But I don't know. I wouldn't worry as much about that with Purge with, the higher, or I guess either one with the liquidity and the market cap, but I don't know. I remember being a lot more worried about that way back in like the first season when Black Dragon had some more price fluctuations, and it's like, oh my God, what happens if, it starts going down and I'm stuck in here? But it's fine. You just put it in there and let it run. You don't worry about it.
Yeah.
You go back every few days and maybe once a month, even maybe just go in there and claim the rewards.
Yeah. Anyway, guys, meme.cooking. I'm checking. We need some fire
What is
meme
cooking? Is
coins
anything
in
cooking?
there.
We need something
Can you
cooking.
share your
We don't.
screen,
We don't.
Zeus,
We'll
and
give.
go on to the-
Yeah, we want to give you guys a bit of time. If you are cooking a meme in there, we will see it.
Yeah.
If
By
there
the
is
way,
any,
if you
we
guys,
will try
have
to
what
trade
you're
it.
looking at. Yeah, definitely let us know in the chat if you guys are looking at any specific coins you want us to look at. Just drop it in the chat. But yeah, so just let me know when
Yeah,
you're sharing your
yeah.
screen. I'll pull it up.
I'm looking at.
Yeah.
Oh wait, hold on,
No,
real quick
no,
before
no.
Monza, how did that AI play work out for you today? The cracks.
That's what I was gonna say. I was just gonna pull.
Oh wait,
up
should we
Purge.
pull that up before Seuss or after Seuss?
Yeah, pull it up. Pull it up. Let's see it. Let's
You
see.
want- okay,
Monza
Monza,
was
will you share your
playing
screen?
playing solo
Can we
today.
pull up? Can we pull up Monza's screen or no?
If we pull up my screen, I'll probably lag out.
Okay, so I'll do mine.
It's AI LEX.
Yo,
will you
Slime,
send
can
me
you
the
send
link
me
in
the
the private
wormhole
chat?
link, please?
We're,
Sorry,
we're
guys.
Can you
sitting
send me a
at,
link, Monza?
Bula.
Another below. I'm dead.
Guys, Asik, are you like a community member only, or you're like part of the team in Bula? I'm interested to know if you like manage an area there, because that guy, man, is definitely know how to shield his bag.
Well, if it's like Duck, there's no difference between community member and team member, right?
right.
Oh yeah.
Community takeover of the project that they were already.
Get
There we
Juicy
go.
Lucy with it. Oh yeah. We had Juicy
Let's
Lucy a
go,
while
dude.
ago. Wow, wow.
go,
What you were
dude. Oh
buying,
my
Monza?
Oh my
Damn.
god.
What's
dude,
that
look,
one?
What?
Hey, if
Dude,
you're gonna
Oh
Sir-
no!
if you're gonna
Search for
Monza.
Monza wallet, man.
Hey.
Search for Monza
Bro,
wallet.
this is the bottom. This is the bottom, guys. We have to get in.
showing
This is
showing
the
some
bottom.
bullet
Hell
momentum
no.
here.
Hell no, man.
8.4K
Do you
want-
do you want Monza to have some pain?
Guys,
You know
this
what?
is the
Give
bottom.
me the link. Give me the link.
Yeah,
Guys, I'm gonna go and buy.
Someone stall the show.
Dude, I
Somebody
lost
stall the
so
show
much
for me
money
so I
on
can go
this
buy
coin.
a huge bag.
You don't want
I
this.
lost
Monza,
so
what did you-
much money on this coin.
What percentage of your bag did you lose? Half?
All of it. I
75%?
mean, I haven't. No, dude, I lost 2.5 near.
I became part of the team. Wolfie saw my hard work and appreciated it. Hey, all right. Okay. What do you think about that, sis? Anything?
About what? I became part of the team. Wolfie saw my
Yeah.
hard work and I appreciate it. You know what? Much respect of Wolf, to be honest. For like, you definitely grind for it. So now we know that you are part of the team. If you want K to be bullish in Bola, send me a DM. The Timbat, and I will forward it to the Timbat DAO, and the guys will, maybe we can change arcade perspective in there, and get him onboarded.
And while you're doing that, send
Lucy
me a
looking
massive
juicy.
bag so I can dump it. Just kidding. Na, na, na,
Where is Juicy
na.
Lucy? Show us Juicy Lucy, man. Show us the upcoming AI of Near. Oops. On Near. You guys
What do you
definitely.
think about
I'm gonna
this?
buy the
Is
dips.
this
I
guy-
should
is
have
this
bought
gonna
more
cook,
in the
you
dip.
think? Do you think this
I
coin's
have a
actually
big
gonna
bag.
cook?
I actually bought a lot. I bought not a lot, but I think I bought around 100 Near
Really?
of it. Yeah.
Hmm.
I know Luke also bought around 150 Near of it. So
Mm. Sus, do you think
Did you
it's
buy?
what? Did I buy into Juicy Lucy?
yeah.
No, I never got in.
You're gonna regret
It-
not buying. Bro.
Well,
I
it had
promise
already
you that.
pumped. Well, so when Monza had
Bro,
texted
it's
me,
89
it was,
market cap. It's
when
89 market
Monza
cap. Like
texted me,
it's
it
so
was right
easy.
here. And I was like, okay, well, it's definitely pumped. So I'm gonna wait for it to come down. So it did, and I was like, perfect. Maybe I'll enter. But then I looked at the chart, and it was before this had happened. I was like, well, like we barely made it to here, barely made it, lost all the steam, didn't even make it back to these highs. It's dead. So I didn't pick up this dip, and I thought I would, and I didn't. And then it pumps higher than I thought. And that's basically telling me we probably got some strength here, but I still don't like buying the top of these candles. So I'm going to see what happens. I'm going to be keeping track through the stream. I would be surprised if I make an enter, if I enter the market here, but we're pretty much at those all-time high prices. So it's really just a question of like, is there enough momentum and volume here to push this past those all-time highs? And then when you do, like, are we going to just get cheated on, or like what's going to happen? So I don't know.
I think you need to look at it from different perspective. When you are looking at tokens like this, you don't look at the candles. The candles can be deceiving in a way how you look at it. Zoom in, zoom out, time frame, and all of that. What you need to look at literally is the market cap and FDV. The market cap of the token, when we talk about it yesterday, it was like 55 market cap, 55,000 market cap. You know, you are looking at now you know what they are building. For example, if you have an idea, I don't think I give you guys like full idea or something, but if you have an idea what they are building, and I already dropped for you guys, there's gonna be some AI stuff going on with this one, and Mario is pretty much cooking hard with this one. So you kind of like have a rough estimate in your head what a market cap this token can reach compared to other meme coins that launch on Near protocol, and what market cap it reach without any utility to it, right? So now you will just try to evaluate it. It's gonna have a product. It's gonna have utility. It's gonna align with AI. Where do I think the token's market cap should sit ideally? You know, so we are looking between ideally 500,000 market cap, 300 to 500, depends on the exposure you get. So if you get right now in and the token go to a 500 market cap, that's a 5x already. That's how I will look at it. If I will look at the candle, oh, it's all the way in the top. Yes, it's all the way in the top, but it's still at 89,000 market cap, which is pretty low. Below 100 market cap, it's still early. You know, below 100,000 market cap. That's my approach to it. You know, so that's that. You know, and then NFA guys, do your own research. But I myself put some bag in there, and I'm just gonna let it ride. It's because I know Mario is gonna cook, and if you guys don't know Mario, he's the dev of Shizu. He literally built the meme.cooking, all that cool stuff you're seeing with Shizu. It's Mario who's doing it. So you can have an idea what he can cook with this one. That's all what I'm gonna say. You know,
Yeah, I mean,
I would definitely hold it back there.
Not even just like a stream play and like this might pump off of the meme momentum. Like if you want to invest in someone that's building something, like we have on Good Word that Mario is building something with this coin. So
yeah, and I will pull as well Luther. I was talking with Luther yesterday, but I fall asleep. I'm sorry, Luther, if you're here. But Luther is bullish on GNF, Smile, and Drags. Basically, I don't know what happened with Drags. I know that it dumped, but yeah, bro, you don't have to keep shilling. I already bought a fat bag.
And
Good,
on
man.
Juicy Lucy here,
Thanks
I
for
bought,
being my exit liquidity.
I bought
Literally, you were
bought the dip
literally-
earlier, and
Man, oh man.
No, I think I
Yeah,
bought
Did
in
you say,
late.
Mansa?
Be-
I was gonna say, yeah, I bought in on Juicy Lucy on one of those dips earlier and sold some of it up here at the top. So I'm riding a moon bag. I took some profits. It was a nice little like 60-70%. So took some profits, got
Wow,
a nice moon
okay.
bag. I'm excited to see what they got cooking. You know, it's on some of these memes early on,
Wow.
that's what you gotta do, right? And then you gotta be okay getting back in once you see some development or something like that. But you know, if you're up big on a coin, and big can be defined, you know, however you want it to be, but getting like 65% in a day, yeah, I'll take some profit there and hold a bag, see what they build, and you know, see what happens.
W. Zach, what are you
We can
doing?
only-
over
Zach,
there,
have you
bro?
got
Where you
into
at with
it?
Everything.
What about Zach?
Yeah,
Zach
yeah,
is
yeah.
too quiet.
Yeah, a little bit. I mean, I'm poking around.
He's
I'm
doing
poking
something.
around. I'm looking. I was hoping to have
Yes.
some more submissions to this point in the meme
Oh.
contest during the stream. So I was kind of looking around, making sure I hadn't missed anything. So yeah, anybody who's in the stream, gonna be a meme coin airdrop to whoever has the best meme sent to us. So
Yeah, I mean, in terms of quiet,
Not
when I say
streaming
Zach is quiet, he's buying something, guys. If Zach
Yeah.
is quiet, he's either buying
Not-
or selling.
not two things I'm not buying currently. One or intent.
Yo, this one might cook.
And
Bearish
Near
on
one.
both.
What a strange. Oh, this is a
near
price prediction.
$142.
Interesting. A price prediction meme coin, or like I guess that's what you would call it. It's like a different. That's an interesting. I'm not sure what to make of that. I feel like that's a strange enough like proposition to where it could work in crypto, but probably just for a trend. I have not seen that trend before, but that's a very interesting thing. What do you think about that, Mansa? A token called near $142 by Q1 2025.
No team allocation. Someone said in the chat there.
Yeah. Wait.
Where'd they say
Yeah,
that?
if you scroll down,
Where? I don't see
Scroll
it. What
in
chat
the
are you
page
talking
you are
about,
at.
sis? I don't see it.
Yeah, but here's the thing. Do most
Scroll
of these
down.
most of these don't even have a team. I mean, I'm not trying to be dismissive, but
Right,
like,
yeah, right,
you
you're right.
know, if there is a team, fine, but you know, a lot of these do not. So
I mean, you know, give me a Twitter, you know, give me something that's going on here. I think, I mean, as like a trend, I think it would be kind of cool if the near community was like unified around a price prediction as like a meme already. I think that would be kind of cool. Like if we were like the near to 2024 thing, right? Like we got some shirts that said that in Bangkok, right? Like one of the, I think it was a long shirt that said "Lonking near to 2024" or something, right? Like that, right?
That was a
If
good
there
shirt.
was a meme like that the community was unified around, I think something like this would work. But if you're just throwing a random number out there, like I don't like 142.37, like who, like what?
You
What,
could've
hey,
got
what
them.
are we doing, right? Like,
could have got some of those 10 baht bracelets made with it on there.
man, that's my biggest regret from Thailand is not
10 baht
paying
bracelets.
10
Maybe
baht
I
for one of
should have.
those bracelets.
What's
Didn't
this?
even have 10
MP
baht, it's
DAO,
on-
ST near.
Yeah, this is MP DAO. I've always been perplexed with MP DAO and Metapool and all the things they've got going on with the liquid staking. I just don't get it. I don't understand it. It's just like they're like, yeah, like staking, we'll just pay you. And I'm like, I get it, but like I don't understand where the money's coming from. Like I think you have to be staking like probably close to 6 figures to be pulling anything significant out of passive income from this. Zach, what are you laughing at? I hear giggling and I see Zach looking down. I'm like, why is he laughing?
No. agree with you to some extent. Yes, on this. That's why
Are you
it's funny.
laughing because you're the
We're a little
dumper right
relatable.
here? Is this your bag that you just dumped? Is that what
No,
this
no,
is?
Listen,
Like, 'cause you're like, oh my
listen.
god.
I'm
like,
gonna say
he's
it.
like, oh my god. He
Listen.
pulled up the one chart I just dumped
Kate.
on.
Kate, I remember now. Go to our chat and you will see him that he said, I have a lot of ST near. I don't know what to do with it and MP down. Go to
Oh,
our chat.
no.
You will find it.
I hit a
promise you.
nerve, bro. I hit a nerve. Chat. I think Zach is done for, guys. Let's put unless Zach has a
Zach
recovery,
is
there might
easy
be
to
L's.
read,
No, that's why it
guys.
was funny. Yeah, no, that's
There
why
might
it was
be else in
funny.
the chat.
Like, look,
Okay.
that's the thing. That's the thing about a lot of this stuff. I mean, we not fashioning ourselves as experts by any means, but we are enthusiasts, right? And we're just kind of poking around the eco and trying things out and messing around with the controls and occasionally getting wrecked and having fun, right? So when it comes to
Yeah,
the
I
ST
mean,
near thing, it's like, this looks great. I tell you, you better make sure that you have sunglasses on when you go to the website, because if you go there late at night, you could be prepared to be fucking blinded, because it's about the brightest shade of yellow, I think, that exists. Be it no dark mode option there, as we've covered. But I don't know. Then you get the, staking rewards, and then you have this ST near that you have as a liquid asset. I guess what I don't understand is what happens when you spend it, because then are you just giving up your staked near or what? Like, that's where I feel, like I said, explain it to these, 4 dummies here. Please, somebody, if you can.
Yeah, I've been at multiple events where I've listened to them talk and I just can't understand it. I asked other
Couldn't
people,
really
and they're
find
like, "No,
anywhere
it's
on the
dope."
website to explain it either. That was my other main gripe, is I couldn't really figure out where to.
AVB has a video on it, but it's like 25 minutes, and I'm like, bro,
yeah,
I can't. I just can't. And I know we're like here at like doing
Well,
4.5 hours.
yeah, look, watch our 4-hour
different.
streams, please.
Yeah.
But
But don't watch the
25-minute video.
Yeah.
Far too long.
I need a 2-minute version of a walkthrough, and I'll get it. But I just, I should do actually. Let me see if ChatGPT can help me out. All right, in a
ChatGPT
45
always
So, like,
seconds.
you're gonna be maybe left with more confusion than clarity on this.
No,
but I don't know.
no,
Maybe
no,
it could
no.
be proven wrong.
In a second, in a 45-second TikTok, explain what is it? Is it at or meta underscore
Because
pool?
I do understand MP DAO. I understand that. I don't know.
Explain how
It's the ST near.
DAO's liquidity or liquid staking works and what? Zach?
Like, I don't know what happens if you, let's say, trade the liquid asset.
Trade the liquid
think
asset.
when you
Trade
stake
the
your
asset, because like you
near
stake it and then you're given a liquid
ST
asset
near,
that you can trade.
right?
You can trade ST near just like you could trade any other token. So, like, then what?
Yeah. Then I think when you unstake
You
yours,
just-
you just need to give back the ST near.
So you have to, like,
I don't know.
reacquire
We need
it,
Nono,
or, like-
man. Nono is like MP
That's
DAO
why. That's why I
staking.
guess I don't understand. That's where
Yeah, I don't like liquid staking, to be honest. I always like to stake in validator. I just
Yeah,
feel more safe
sure.
in there.
Right.
Yeah. Not
Yeah,
on
I
Near
don't know.
particular, but in any chain, I never liked liquid staking.
What don't you
In
like?
Yeah.
tattoos. It's more vulnerable than validator. Validator, like your funds is safe. Liquid staking is usually, if it get hacked, you lose your fund. I'm not saying like MP DAO doesn't have good security. Of course, all
Yeah.
of them have security, but I'm just saying like
Yeah, I mean,
there is a different.
It's a pretty buttoned up operation. And, it appears, but you can still use.
So it's basically whether or not you trust their platform to hold your token while you're being a degen with this. You're hoping to make a return and like
Okay.
win while you're accumulating your rewards while your money's over here. But the gamble is you either lose too much money. The other gamble is this isn't legit.
Okay. So I get it.
But
All
they
right,
count
that
every
makes
month.
sense. Maybe
So
I was
apparently it
overthinking.
works.
I'm overthinking. Yeah, I think I was overthinking it because then it's like, okay, basically to unstake your shit, you just have to kind of give it back,
Yeah.
and if you don't have
But
it,
you've earned
then
rewards
they
from
just
holding it there the whole time.
they just keep holding it.
Interesting.
okay.
And they pay out every
Yes.
month is the thing. That's why I'm like, okay, that's interesting because they pay out every month. You
And
have
that's
to
what
audit them monthly, and they keep doing it. So I'm like, okay, so they are. There's insignificant. There's a non insignificant number. I feel like I'm overcomplicating that word. There's a
Wait,
pretty big
wait.
sum of
We
money
we
that
we
gets
have
sent out.
we have something here,
What?
man. We are into something. What you will airdrop Bender if he will get a 10 baht tattoo tonight?
It's a Zach question.
I mean, I'll airdrop him 10 baht. Right there.
Probably, yeah. There, yeah. 10
10
baht
baht.
and Juicy Lucy's
Sorry,
fine.
bro. You
Yeah,
came to
that
the
could
wrong
come-
chat if you're trying to get a huge donation. You're getting 10 baht at most.
That can come straight from the Dow Treasury.
40 baht is your final offer, sir. 10 baht from each one of us. Do it for
Hey,
the
you could
culture,
get a
bro. If
toasty,
you really care.
and a bag of fruit snacks from 7-Eleven with that. And have yourself a good night.
Here's what I'll say, Bender. The fact that you're asking tells me you kind of want to do it either way. So,
he
That's all I'll
does. He
say.
does.
you know, I don't know. I feel like Zach would agree with me. Like the fact that he brought it, he like went out of his way to bring it up on stream. I feel like he's like trying to get a tattoo. He's just looking for any
For what?
reason to.
I didn't bring this
Bender,
up.
he's no, not you. I'm asking if you agree with me.
Yeah, he's
Oh, yeah,
he
yeah,
just
yeah.
That he brought it up.
Yeah.
So I feel like he's already kind of thinking about the idea a little bit. He's just looking for a little bit of a push, you know. And I'm sitting here saying, "Hey, do it for the culture."
We are
Yep.
working in the merch though, and the design is not there yet. So I don't know how you will tattoo that.
It's just hashtag 10 baht. Here, let me. I think it's in this.
Yeah,
pocket
maybe,
of my
yeah,
bag that
letters
I
or
have it.
logos, right?
Yeah, we need to work in the logo.
Yeah, let's see. Let's
we gotta
see.
get an audio artist on it for sure.
Yeah.
Oh, not the
Maybe I was
artist.
thinking for a design. What are you guys thinking for a design?
Check meme the
Yo, I got
cooking
my,
again. Not
Yeah.
Let me see y'all's 10 baht token. Let me make sure you guys are being truthful here.
Dude,
Dude, I have mine in the.
mine is in my
same-
wallet in the car.
Hold on.
Mine is in the same place as my grandma's wedding ring, so it's in safekeeping, bro. It's locked up. Locked up.
it's funny that he just says check meme cooking again because Santa
Is it go time?
10 baht. Dude, I love this thing. It's got so much value now because of all the 10 baht branding. I'm like, bro, this you'd have to offer me
Grail.
like $10,000 for me to even think about giving this to somebody. Like this has very like a ton of value.
Sentimental value.
This little 10 baht. Yeah, you'd have to genuinely offer
Dude.
me a lot of money for me to even think about selling this. I have to be really needing money and still offer a good sum.
if you want a little eerie is go into the meme.cooking page or I can share it too.
Yeah, do you want to share your screen?
Yeah, let's see.
Guys, if you're enjoying the stream, please like and retweet and quote tweet, do all the things. Tag your friends in the stream. If you're on YouTube, like and subscribe. Really appreciate all of you watching. And if you're on X, please give them a follow. Just click on the title. You can click all three of their title names, or they should be all there in the title if you're watching from my stream at least. And if you're on YouTube, go to the YouTube description down below and give these three guys a follow. It's in the description. But shout out to everyone who's watching tonight. It is late out here. It's like almost midnight on the East Coast, about almost 10 o'clock my time. In Colorado, we're just vibing out here, checking out stuff in the near ecosystem. ABG's on the brink of all-time highs. Purge had a bit of a correction. Juicy Lucy, which we called out last stream, is about to break all-time highs potentially. Meme.cooking. Zach has pulled up now. Zach, why don't you take over?
No, I find it fascinating of considering Cade some of our conversation before we went on stream.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, what happened?
Oh no. I mean, we got something at 21%.
Oh,
It's only got
Hmm?
19 minutes on the cooker though.
Wait, where? I don't see anything with 19 with that
There
much.
you go.
Wait till
There you
you
go.
see. I don't know what's going on here.
Did it launch?
Operator 12.
Judas Betrayal. I don't see it. Maybe I gotta refresh my page. I don't see it.
look at the
I mean, look at the
What? I mean, that's biblically accurate, so I don't know if we can.
look at the wallet. Operator number 12. Is that our next operator? We had
Hmm.
6. We had 9. Did someone just grab the wallet 12?
I'm going to hang myself. No, hey, we were talking disciples before the stream. and
Oh,
here
that's
we
right.
are,
Yeah, we were playing a little
Fighting
Can you name
ourselves
all
with
the 12 disciples, and
Judas
we did.
coin.
We did, right?
Yeah, we got there. Now
Zach?
we are with Judas coin.
There we go. Are we gonna do we like this? Like, is this a play or like what do we think about this? Did you guys get into this? Like, why are we looking at it?
That was why.
It just went up there,
I'm
and
telling
it's
you,
at
that was the
30%,
significance.
Oh, okay. Dope. Like, I was just wondering.
Sorry,
I didn't know why we were
not
pulling it
good enough. I guess I'll come back with better info next time.
Well, I didn't know if there was
My bad.
some kind of specific alpha with it.
Not particularly. I mean, I know Not said check meme.cooking again. So
Oh, no,
he
I
might
see.
be
Okay.
plugged in with some
I
more.
thought
of the
you were
alpha.
pulling it up. I thought you were pulling it up because you saw something specific with it. I didn't see that.
I
Operator
did. I
number
did.
12,
I
I'm
saw
watching your
Judas.
live
Is the
stream.
Judas coin, and we were talking. We mentioned Judas before we started this stream, and then there's a Judas
Yeah.
coin launching. That was, I don't know. I guess that's
Now
not
it's making sense.
interesting
It's
enough
making
for
sense.
you.
It's at 30% now, though.
Yeah, hell yeah.
He's been quiet
Hell
on
yeah,
that
Sis.
phone. Yes, this is
Yeah,
definitely
yeah,
in
yeah.
this, dude.
Yeah, hands.
I need to go in like 30 minutes max is my but I have to dip because my kids sadly they got sick yesterday and I have an appointment with the doctor. So yeah, I can stay up for another like 30 minutes more. But you guys can keep going, and do your things. But yeah.
I don't know. It's
Okay.
What is it?
quiet, a little quiet tonight. But we'll see. I don't know. Sometimes things light up right when we think they're starting to wind down. What else do we have our eyes on around? I mean, we covered off ref, we covered up. Please duct. Stop the panhandling. Stop begging for retweets. Not a good look. Okay. What about, so Moonwalk that we not looking great, but we know that, or at least our understanding, it's a little bit more of a longer play. What is it that we know about this project, Seuss? Do you have any
Very little.
general ideas about?
I have like
because they were making some
that,
good like threads. They're like threading us and good info from our streams. So good memes.
Yeah, the thing is like they did a stream launch. They did like they launched the coin on a pub.
Right.
And
Yeah, right. From a pub.
they did it on stream, right? And they said that there is some solid team behind it. That's what I hear. So I throw a bag in there, to be honest, and I left it. So I have like small gambling bags where I put like 10, 20 near on things and just leave it and see if it cook with time. But it's not looking good, to be honest. Intent is dumping. I don't know what's going on in there. Moonwalk is not doing good.
I'm watching your live stream. This is a submission from Judas Betrayal.
Oh, here we go. We got a meme submission from Judas.
Like just
57%, by the way.
First message.
Zach. 57%.
All right. So we're cranking a little bit.
Wow.
Zeus.
We might be getting an early cook here.
Fine.
An early cook at not even midnight, bro.
Just keep in
This is
mind,
crazy.
Judas was known for betrayal, so
He was.
you know, tread lightly.
You think he's gonna betray us?
Well, no. All I'm thinking is whatever you think you want to do, go with the opposite for this coin. You know, like whatever you think you should buy, sell. Whatever you think you should sell, buy. That's what I think.
Absolutely.
This token. That's all I'll
Could
say.
be.
You know,
Could be.
this coin could cook. This is the kind of nonsense that cooks on crypto. To be honest, like
Zeus.
coins
Do
that
you
make no
think
sense.
so?
They're so
Yeah.
random. Like what a random coin to pop, especially after. I mean, Zach's right. Like after that conversation, that is kind of strange. Now that I'm thinking about it for a little bit longer, I'm like, that is a bit of a strange coincidence to just casually go through all the disciples that get introduced. I didn't really put that together when you were saying it until just now. Now I'm starting to see why that you pointed that out.
Yeah.
My
Yeah.
bad.
Well, good. I'm glad I don't feel quite as foolish
Yes.
for bringing that up before.
By the way,
let's
while we're
see.
waiting on this to cook, what are we all thinking on? I feel like we've given our jump thesis multiple times. Like jump's one of my biggest
Okay.
bags for
Yeah, I'll
for,
give it every day.
for alts on
Give it
near.
every day.
It's definitely something
Oh.
I think is a good thing to hold. I don't know how long we'll be in a bull market. That's why I'm not staking them. I'd rather just hold. I like having just.
You
There
can
is
Spam
no
that.
there is
You
no
just unstake it.
unstaking cooldown, Kate. You can unstake anytime.
Yeah, but what's the fee?
Sounds good.
Huh?
What's the fee?
What was the fee?
When
Yeah,
you
what's the
stake your
fee to
jump,
unstake?
The fee. There is no fees on staking jump.
Oh,
There
so
you
I just
go.
earn?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
So you
Okay.
might stake it rather than just keeping it in your wallet.
does Meteor Wallet have staking that's relatively equivalent, or do I need to go to Jump's website? You think?
No, you need to do it in Jump website.
Damn, that's a lot of work. Okay.
It's
Yeah.
very easy,
Okay.
man. You just
Yeah, I know it
max
is.
stake.
I've done it before.
done.
I'm just being lazy.
You're just
Does anybody
what?
does anybody still have like NFTs staking in Jump, or do we
I
know
think I have
what-
some freaky felines in there actually. I've got some kind of feline. One of the Nico ones.
Are they-
three of them.
they're done.
are they like yielding
Um,
anything?
They're done. FF are done.
There's something in there that is. I don't
yeah.
remember what though.
FF
It might be
staking
is it Bean?
admission.
The Bean NFTs?
I think it is Bean. Yeah.
You know what happened to Bean?
Bean is
Slush.
still working.
Maybe Slush.
Wait, is Bean a buy? Sus?
No.
Let's pull up Bean while we're waiting on
Nah.
Judas Betrayal,
I'm
see what
pretty
pops.
I'm pretty solid, close with Nathan. He's like one of my really good friend on Web3. Pretty close with him, but it's not something like you just in there for the meme itself. That's it. You know.
Yeah, but
It's
that's why
just-
everyone's in
it's a
all
meme.
meme coins. That's like the point of memes.
Yeah, but he's
Yeah,
not like
yeah.
cooking anything or something. But it was solid
Oh.
investment.
There were some
so-
pretty funny like Mr. Bean, memes around that.
Did you see Mr. Bean website, Kate? Can you
We
check the
pull it up,
Bean
Sus?
website?
Freaky felines.
Pull it up, Sus. Oh, Crypto
Wait.
Crashers got the freaky felines as well. Welcome, brother. By the way, Monza, did you expect us to be testing all-time highs by today, or was this earlier or later than you were thinking, or where are you
What,
at with where ABG's at? We kind of rejected, which
ABG.
I'm not that surprised by. But what are your thoughts
Yeah,
on
I mean,
ABG?
This is right about where I thought it would be, right? I said we would just be moving in that range, testing all-time highs. That's cool. We're what is it? It's Sunday night here, so you know, people sleeping. I'm bullish on this next week. We really started to take off on like Wednesday night going into Thursday, Thanksgiving here. It's been pretty chill since then. Everything's just been kind of moving slowly upwards, it feels like. Or I mean, ABG tested all-time highs, Purge tested all-time highs, Shih Tzu is at all-time highs. You know, like it was a pretty good weekend, and we're just kind of chilling the last little bit. And there's been some fun coins that dropped, and I think I'm bullish on this next week here. see where we go. See if things get a little more
Right.
active, socials get a little more
Yep.
active.
Following up with our guy Moonwalk, they are having a Twitter space 3 p.m. on Tuesday, 3 p.m. Eastern, I should say, on Tuesday. So maybe get some more information there or afterwards, right? So quick call back there. That's what I was sitting here in silence trying to figure out. But man, what a
Wow.
big drop there for ABG in the middle.
Yeah, it was a big sell. Susan, are you gonna pull up the what was it? What if we were just talking about? I can't remember.
Bin side.
Yeah, that's right. Can you pull it up? Or share your
Yeah, I
screen,
got
mean?
you. I got you. Yeah, you're on it, by the way.
Oh, really?
Kate.
I'm on their site.
Yeah.
What?
Oh,
I didn't
no.
even know. How long have I been on their site for?
It's been since you tweeted what happened to Bin.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, that was pretty funny.
No.
I just
Sometimes I do
did
that. I'll be a
And
little bit extra fiery if I think there's opportunity for Audi, but yeah, those tweets are kind
I
of fun
have,
to do every few weeks. I'll do just pull up.
I
a
have
random
my
chart
share
and be
screen
like,
up.
Oh, okay. What happened to Bean?
Yes, baby. Let's go.
Bro, that is one of the funniest things
So-
ever.
So Bin
The home of
Laden.
being kept on here,
Right.
not by this guy. That's their official site. Oh man,
Yeah, Cade.
is that their homepage?
All along, you've been
Yeah.
the face. You've been the face of Bean, and you're trying to act like you didn't know what was going on.
Oh my
how's the bean chart?
god.
Yeah, Cade's like,
pull
hey,
up the bean chart. Are we at least
hey
moving?
guys, has anybody checked in on Bean lately?
Sus, can you pull up the chart? Are we mooning on bean at least?
Yeah.
If my face is the
Yeah, so
face, if my face is representing bean, we should be at all-time highs, right?
it's not. He was
What?
really cooking with it before.
Bro,
price is
no, we're
not doing
definitely at
really
all-time highs.
great.
No, we're at all-time
Yeah,
highs.
it's not doing great. The
Bro, pull
price,
up the
that's for
chart.
sure. But
Pull up the
wait.
chart.
I'm going for it. View chart. There you go.
We're definitely at all-time highs. If my face is on the website, bro, all-time highs for sure, guaranteed.
But he did say crafted not by this guy. so he'd give
yeah.
a disclaimer that you are not
True,
affiliated
yeah.
with it.
Yeah, in no way,
Yeah.
shape, or form am I affiliated for sure. Definitely not. This chart looks terrible.
Yeah. Kate is not
Yeah, oh
affiliated with
God.
it, guys. It's
Nope,
all like a
Definitely
joke,
not me.
you know.
Oh God. Oh
yeah,
God,
that's a
it's getting
big drop
worse.
in there.
Yo, why do you
Yeah.
keep zooming out? It's getting worse every time you zoom out. It gets worse. Oh,
You asked for the chart. I showed you.
Wait, keep
that-
zooming. Keep zooming.
But
going.
fun
Not
fact,
good.
guys.
Can we identify on that chart whenever Cade became the face of the Bean
Yeah,
Labs
yeah.
website?
Will you find the date?
Yeah.
Did I have a bullish? Was I a
I
bullish flag? for
don't know
Bean, or was
if
it bearish?
I get where is that exactly? Yeah, it's definitely not October. I think it's somewhere in August.
No, was it that long?
Yeah, I
ago?
think it's somewhere in August. So I think it's somewhere around August. What's here? Somewhere in August, somewhere around these areas. Somewhere around these areas. Fun fact, guys. By the way, we did talk about what do you call that? The one is on meme.cooking is at 60%. If you guys don't know, the Judas case or Judas betrayal.
About 5 minutes if we're gonna cook. Let's see.
Yeah, but as we found out last night, it might not even matter. You can still
That's true. That's a good point. We gotta be ready.
still get up to the roulette
He's
wheel.
literally answering us on the meme.cooking. He said, "Yes, I will betray you." refresh.
Okay. I mean, come
Smile.
on,
I
man.
hear a lot
I
of
don't
good
like
things
this.
about Smile, Dev.
Tell
I
us
like
in
this, bro.
the tell us in the
Weird.
live in the chat, like what making us
Oh,
really
what are
work
we
to
doing
find the. Oh, okay. All right. Good. There. All right. So good. Now we know. Perfect.
Okay.
Can you put that
perfect.
up? 60% of soft cap, not 60% of hard cap. So it won't launch unless it hits 100%. So that
Yeah,
explains
we were talking about it because yesterday I think
last
AGT
night.
trying
Yeah.
to explain to me what happened yesterday with the token that launched.
Okay, hold
We
on.
were
a
Explain
bit
to me like I'm
confused.
5. I still don't understand it.
For real.
What? Explain to
Break
you
it
what?
down. Break it down like I'm 5 years old. Slime.
Okay, so the token have two targets, soft cap and hard cap. Okay, so a hard cap is where the token will like fully launch, and the soft cap is where like, oh come on, there is no way you can get over 2, man.
Yeah.
I haven't played this in
Get
so
out of
long.
here.
I was looking for the meta pool
There is
version.
no
I can't-
way,
ah.
Oh,
dude.
dude, Bearshot Cade gaming.
Get
Dude,
outta
hold on.
here.
Give me
Come
give me a couple
on,
rounds just to warm up. I just need to warm up. Oh Jesus.
Yeah. No, good point. Hey, guys, can we get back on topic here, please?
Yeah,
Yeah.
seriously.
Hit soft cap,
Someone
launch
stop
after
sharing-
countdown.
Yeah.
Okay.
All
That
right.
if you hit the soft cap, it will launch after the countdown. If you hit the hard cap, it's gonna launch either way.
Got it.
You get
got
it?
Cade, were you
Where are those
listening?
numbers?
No, let me go back to the chart. Sorry, I was
He's trying to redeem himself,
Jesus
man.
Christ, Cade.
I was trying to play Flappy
Where,
Bird
where
and
are these
win, and I
numbers
suck
on
at it, bro.
meme.cooking so we can see them? Because I'm not. I'm not
What
seeing-
numbers are you talking about?
Like, well, just where do we see
We
the soft
we
cap?
told you all of them. We were just saying all of them while you were
I wasn't
flapping.
paying attention. I was flapping. I was losing.
You don't say.
Oh well, we're 61% now. Yo, we are cooking. This is
Jesus.
gonna cook early.
Oh, I see it. I see
We
it.
only have 2
I
minutes,
see
unless
I was
someone
just
fill it.
missing
I
a
don't know.
button. You just
Oh,
expand
yeah,
that
that's not
little
gonna
window
work.
there, Cade, underneath 61%. Press that real quick. Yeah, there you go. You can see the
Yeah,
the soft
yeah, I don't
cap.
think this is gonna cook. 2.5 minutes. That's definitely not enough time. It was a good
don't know,
run.
man.
That was close. Judas's betrayal was good.
It only needs what 28 more near, 38 more near.
Yeah, I guess. I mean, yeah, but it's a lot. I mean,
Lunch
see.
it,
We'll see
Cade,
if the
lunch
community's better. Yeah.
Bring it home,
Yeah,
Cade.
Bring it home, Cade. Bring it home, Cade. Dude, I love that
But,
meme.
yeah.
That was so funny. Bro, everyone
That
was
was a good
commenting
one.
that in the chat back in the day.
Bring it home, no, yeah.
Dude, that was like the funniest hashtag.
His soft cap. Yeah.
By the way, for anyone who posts charts and stuff, doing that little screenshot feature on TradingView, for some reason, anytime I post a chart specifically with that kind of screenshot, it does very well on Twitter. I don't know why. It's just very, very effective. Oh, whoa. We're at 71%. What just happened?
Got a big
Dude.
injection.
We have 1.5 minutes. Are we about to see
people,
30?
you
a
stopped playing
30%
Flappy
pump?
Bird. That's what happened. Once you closed out of Flappy Bird, people started getting bullish again. on
Dude,
the
do you think this
chart.
is going to start? Do you think we're going to hit 100%?
I don't think anyone can fill the 30 left of the 30%.
Someone
That's
have to feel
30
30
near left.
near. Yeah,
Yeah,
it's
20,
fine.
28 to be precise, 28.5,
Yeah.
something like this. I don't know who's gonna fill that, but
Cade, what were you saying about posting that was working too?
Yeah, here, I'll show you. Hold on. Let me pull it up.
Well, close this out. We got 53 seconds left. Let's see what happens first, I guess.
All right.
what do you guys think? Can we pull
73%.
a last
Dude, I-
minute lunch?
I think we're gonna make it, dude. Low key, dude.
You think so?
I think we got some people that are waiting just to press the button, dude. Just gonna go, wow. It's gonna launch. I have no idea.
Nah, I think it's cooked.
I mean, he can't betray us if it
Alright.
doesn't launch, right? So What are we
Monzo,
doing?
this is what I'm talking about. So I just did near super cycle, triple digits fight. Here we go. 4,900 views, 118 likes, 14 retweets, 15 comments. It's this kind of screenshot specifically. The white background, the trading view screenshot, like feature stuff, trading view. Like for some reason, this specific kind of screenshot every single time always cooks without fail. So,
Gotcha.
Bro,
the way
you're
you do
using
that-
X in light mode. Like, I don't
Yeah.
get it.
It's because if I do honestly,
Cade's
it's
a light
because
mode
like I'll
guy.
get depressed if it's too dark. It's because I get
Light
depressed if
mode.
I do, bro. Literally, that's why I had to leave Washington State. 'Cause it was too dark.
And
half
don't
the
your
year.
eyes
I
hurt
had to
when you are
leave.
trying to sleep
I
and
see.
like checking your X or anything while you're like
if my eyes
resting?
hurt, I just wear my. I have like these super solid, expensive red light or the orange lens glasses, blue light glasses, and they're really good. They're like magic. But anyways,
Oh, you just
so the way you pull
yeah,
up
Judas
these
Kiss didn't
and
make
You
do the
it,
didn't
man.
screenshot.
cook, man.
Oh, it didn't. Oh, that's too bad. So,
Didn't
real
cook.
quick. So, the way you do this, can you see my screen? Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. No one said anything. You just look at this sign. Snapshot, download image, or you can tweet the image. Super easy, but that's a way to boost engagement pretty easily. Okay, launch failed. RIP. Well, I had 20 near in there.
Rest in
Give it a
peace.
shot.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna have to dip. I need to send my kids to their doctor appointment, so I'm going out
Oh, wait,
early
before you
today.
do, Seuss, give us your final
Yeah.
take on Juicy Lucy and why this might break all-time highs, because I don't understand it and I don't know what's good.
Okay, so Juicy Lucy, guys, again developed by or the owner of Juicy or the dev of Juicy Lucy is the same dev of Shizu Dev. He's the one who built the entire meme.cooking site, by the way. Mario is a solid dev as well. I think we have a few of them on your protocol. Shout out to Slime as well. But yeah, they are building some sort of like AI element into the token, some sort of gamification. So game fighting, like there will be some utility to the token. That's all what I can say. It's cooking, you know. And for a utility token with AI narrative, 90K is I think still very early. To be honest, I see it jumping 500K, 500,000 market cap, even higher.
Whoa.
Depends on how the near community likes the product or no. But I can definitely see it hitting good highs in here. So again,
Dang.
that's my read on it. I have a bag on it. This is non-financial advice. Please always do your own research. Do not ape into anything because someone told you to ape into it. Okay, and don't what do you call that? Invest more than you are willing to lose. Okay, so the thing is, you need to approach it when you're like, especially buying meme coins. It's like I have 20 near. I'm gonna put it in this meme coin. I know I'm not getting it back. You need to have the mentality of I'm not possibly getting my money back. You know, it's just better way to approach it. You know, shout out to Odin. He actually wrote a little bit brief of like how to trade meme coins and be safe when you're trading. It's on Telegram, but you can check it out as well. He have some solid advices there for people who's like trying to get into the meme coin transit thing. But yeah. Anyway, guys, thank you everyone. I have to dip. You know, unfortunately, the kids are sick again. I have to send them to the doctor and do some checkup. But yeah, good luck, guys, with the rest of the stream. I hope you find something you can ape on. You know, and
I don't know.
if you
Thank you,
did,
bro.
yeah, if you did, it's good. I'm gonna try to keep up with you. So if you guys ape into something, I can like ape into it with you as well. So that's that. But in the
Okay,
shadows.
bro. I don't think we're gonna do a crazy long stream tonight. But appreciate you coming
But
through as always. But
yeah.
we'll see you later, man.
I'll see you guys.
All right, man.
Goodbye.
Later.
Deuces.
And Zach, by the way, if you pick the winner for the meme thing, send me the wallet so I can send over some Nico
Yeah. No, definitely.
tokens. Okay.
Definitely.
All right. See you guys.
See ya.
See you, bro. All right. So, Juicy Lucy, or not Juicy Lucy, Judas was very close to cooking, but did not cook, which leaves pretty much these three in the running for the rest of the night. But to be honest, I'm getting a little bit tired and don't know if I feel exactly the right energy for one of these to take off right now. What do you think, Zach? Or Monzo?
I don't think
one of these.
Mm,
What do you guys think?
no, I don't think so. I don't know. I was almost starting to think about like some of the other kind of storylines, I guess in general, things that were going on. I know that in the near week alpha space, you've had on the Edge video people on a couple times. I didn't fully keep up with it, but there was like some people that was like criticizing them of bridging or not really doing near stuff anymore, and but some people were still left holding tokens that they felt were valueless, and you know they did answer to it, they responded, but I was curious if you had any perspective or any thoughts on that on the Edge video AI situation.
Sorry, my audio kept cutting in and out there. Monster, were you able to hear it, like the last like bit there?
Yeah, I saw the like the interaction that you were talking about, but I did not follow up with it really.
Have you
So, I
guys
mean,
used it
that's-
at all?
Mm-mm.
No, I have not.
Yeah.
Do you want to pull it up and show us what it looks like?
I mean, here we go. I'll pull up this community update. This will be good.
There you go. Perfect. I'm gonna check all these meme charts to see if we're missing anything.
Nothing. You're not gonna see anything on Sunday night.
It's true. It's
Making
true.
any moves.
You know, that's kind of the vibes that we had coming in here too.
All right, Cade. Flip to
tonight
mine.
might
Flip
be
to
kinda
mine.
dry.
Okay.
We thought
All right,
tonight might be pretty dry. Tomorrow into next week would pick up. So
Yeah.
we're kind of seeing what we expect here, but we
people
can
can see
go
this.
over a whole bunch of other near stuff as well before we get out of here.
Definitely.
So they wanted to clarify some recent confusion. So this was after, like I said, there were a couple of call outs. I don't remember specifics, but there were people that the general gist of it is they felt that they may have got into a token that was no longer leaving near and left them with kind of a valueless asset. So that's, I guess, what they were trying to clarify here. They're built on near, will stay on near. Our decision to only support fast on gate.io via Polygon and delist is purely to optimize costs while staying focused on our long-term goals. Which, you know, I know that we've kind of talked about that before, is that you know, Mexi, and there are some other exchanges that are, I don't want to say it's inhibitive to growth sometimes with some of the allocations and fees, and you know, kind of what you have to pay doesn't always add up to the value add that you get to maybe some of the price upside. So every project's different, but I guess that's kind of the general gist there. But optimize costs. In the meantime, we're working hard on delivering the roadmap for our core platform, in particular shoppable video. You familiar with that at all? Shoppable video?
I mean, not really. I guess I don't have too much experience. Do you?
We will soon be on the Near Week space again, so you can ask us any
Cool.
ask us any questions you may still have. Your trust and support mean everything to us. Thank you for sticking with us. So,
I mean, them being on Near Week is news to me, but
here we go.
Yeah.
I guess maybe they'll just pop in and be like, "Hey, let's tell you what's up." But
Yeah, see, I mean, there were, like I said, there were certainly some people unhappy with moves they made, but it appeared, you know, whether it be reactionary or here we go. You're the biggest clowns around, letting the coin bleed 98% without any action. Yeah, so yeah, this is what I remember seeing some of this. I mean, people were not happy. Not a lot of kind words here. With the
Damn.
Okay.
They were
but-
coming in hot.
Well, I guess I understand it because
They
yeah,
have a
Jesus.
Smile.
Um,
Smile on near.
I'll be honest. I know that they have been on Near Week before. That was when I became familiar with it. I didn't ever fully feel like I had a good grasp on what the concept was, which again doesn't mean that, you know, as we've proven many times, could just be a blind spot, could just be you know, not smart enough to understand some of these more advanced concepts. But I don't know. That was just revenue generating user experience. I did understand that. That was one thing where it's like, all right, maybe some watch to earn opportunities, some ways to kind of interact with live viewers, which is all things that I think are great. I mean, you know, sound amazing, but I don't know. I feel like people certainly seem that they feel that they were misled or sold a bill of goods on the Edge Video AI situation. But yeah, interested to hear. I mean, I'm sure that we'll have a good time talking with them on Alpha Space.
There's
whenever that comes
there's
out.
a show called Black Mirror that I'm sure a lot of people have heard of.
Yeah.
But
Sure.
there's an episode on there that is pretty dystopian. And honestly, like Black Mirror shows this side that's like the super dystopian with like the super eerie like 1984 vibes and like super like off-putting. I think at least that's the vibe I get. I don't know if that's exactly their goal. I think it is to show this like super bizarro situation and trying to portray it as okay, this is what kind of normal will look like. But anyways, there is an episode in there. Wow, I'm like flying through these episodes trying to find the right one. There's so many good ones, to be honest. But there's an episode where you are on these stationary bikes earning points, earning like tokens, these basically crypto. It's essentially like bike to earn, but it's also like watch to earn. And so these characters or these people in the show are just like biking to earn these points. And then you spend these points in the world and you do whatever. And one of them is like you save up like 1 million points to go try out on like American Idol, like the equivalent of it. And people every now and then will get, you know, their big shot and they get to go be like a performer instead of having to go bike for money. And the goal, basically what happens, it's like an idea that they pull all these like great people who have all this, you know, amazing talents and have these aspirations. They kind of like throw them in the cog the same way the educational system will kind of throw a person who's, you know, super excited about astronomy and like, you know, the school set up in a way to where, you know, by the next 20 years study goes by, they like hate astronomy because they don't like the way the teaching is done kind of thing. So anyways, that was a super dystopian take on the Black Mirror thing. However, the something to earn aspect is 1000% going to happen, bro. It's going to be super dystopian. But it'll just be normal because we'll be like, oh, lit, we can make some money doing this. And this is fun kind of thing is what I think can happen. And I think there will be plenty of normal stuff that happens in between all the bizarro dystopianness. What is this
Interesting.
monster you just sent me?
So I got some won't be tonight, but I believe our guy Bender's going to be potentially launching something on meme.cooking, so we would certainly want to keep our eyes peeled for that.
Oh. Black Dragon NFTs. Who's ready for that?
Black Dragon NFT teaser video coming tomorrow, it looks like. So
Nice.
you said we got the news the other day that the mint is going to be on December
Oh.
20th. So if you got all your Black Dragon stuck on you got finance, make sure that you got the Black Dragon ready for that mint. These things are fire. That's what we're rocking. At least what I'm rocking as my PFP here. So
You and Zach both.
ready to mint those. Excited to see what they got going on. Like I said, Black Dragon. That's at least a $10 million coin right there. So I've been buying a little bit here at a 6.9 million. I got a nice bag too though, and yeah, let's see what they got coming with that video. They got a bunch of stuff coming, so we'll see. we'll see, right?
Yeah, I agree. Yeah,
What else?
BD.
If anyone
I
else
hear.
has news,
Yeah, if anyone has news or things we have not heard or covered yet, definitely let us know. Yeah, Black Shark
Sure.
is, I think, going to do just fine.
so I'm expecting a big day on Near tomorrow.
Are you?
Yeah. Yeah. Absolutely.
If we could only get you guys to contain your excitement a little bit. We have Lucky Black Cat. Yeah, we're definitely not getting anything tonight. But here we go. I got 10 bot that I blow your mind with a meme coin dropping tonight.
Someone said check out Amen. It's going up.
Tomorrow might be a better idea.
Say amen at the corner. If you know, you know.
Oh, Judas is back. 24
What?
hours on this one.
Oh,
Are you serious? They came back? You gotta be kidding.
No, I don't think so.
Yeah, they're back.
You can't be serious.
Soft cap.
Just didn't make
Not be
it.
serious.
Didn't make it.
It
Let me
didn't
see.
make it.
Oh
You
my
tried-
god,
you
it's
tried
back.
everything. You know what you want. Now you got the soft cap at 100 and a hard cap at 500. So
So wait, so
They
what
can
does this
launch.
mean?
Let's
When
see.
can it
Let's
launch?
see if we have any good messages being sent.
I had to betray Jesus again because I failed the first time. Okay, now I go. Yeah, all right, yeah, whatever.
Yeah, sure, Judas. All talk, Judas.
Bearish on Judas.
Yeah,
Definitely not
bearish
gonna
on
make
Judas Iscariot. Very bearish on Judas Iscariot. Kiss hashtag or ticker symbol kiss. Was he? Oh yeah, I guess he was the one that kissed. But what was the deal with that, Cade? Was Simon? He got mad about a kiss. There was some kiss drama, maybe at the Last Supper.
Oh, the Olympics.
No, the real one, the OG Last Supper.
Wait, what about it? Sorry, I missed the first part of the question.
I felt like there was some kiss drama. I know Judas did a kiss, but maybe he got
Oh,
Simon.
and so in
Simon was
Leonardo,
a little upset. He was big mad about the kiss. I feel like.
I think the when Judas kissed him like before he turned him in the in the story.
Yeah.
Oh, okay,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah,
Got it.
yeah.
I thought you were talking about in the depiction, like in the Last Supper, the art, the painting of the guy kissing him. But yeah, true. I mean, that's pretty much the betrayal kiss right there. He's right. This guy, Operator 12, is well read.
Operator 12.
What are you
maybe-
looking for there, Zach? Did you sell a bag and now you're looking for it?
Yeah. No.
Sold a big fat bag of Baby G and he can't find his profit.
Yeah.
Where's my profit? Where's my 100 million bot?
Got rugged. We got rugged on camera.
Dude, we were bot billionaires just a couple months ago. We were bot billionaires and we left to go back to America.
Fuck, man.
What did we do? Why did we do that, Mazda? Why did we just stay in Thailand, bro?
I don't know, man. We're going back though, for sure.
I don't know, but anything else? Do you guys have anything else before I guess call it, see what there is going on tomorrow? I mean, Hijack, I know they're still doing things.
Hijack, should we pull up their chart? Is like something on the chart recently? Is that what you mean, or they have like news coming out?
I don't know. It said there was like a rebrand, maybe maybe more willing and open to Web3, but I don't know. It's hard to. Still looks like it's all a lie. So,
No, well,
tough luck.
RIP,
Sandy
RIP.
needs help. Yeah. Okay. Well, so Monza, busy day tomorrow. What do you think? What do you think's gonna hit hardest tomorrow?
No, I think this is purely speculation. I think we get some ABG news maybe, because we had that Twitter show up and there wasn't much action from it, but there is a Twitter there, and it's a little situation going on with Soul, and we'll see what goes on there. So I think maybe we'll get a little news there. And I just, it's basically been a long weekend, right? So it's just been it's been a while since we've gotten, news and a hard push on the socials for anything. So I think, we get at least get a lot more social activity tomorrow, and then that's always good for the meme coins, right? So all these meme coins that launched, at least people wake up tomorrow, they check, they yeah, it'll be a better day tomorrow, at least on the socials. I'm not saying that the coins are going to go up, but in terms of action, we'll have some news to talk about. Billionaires, that's
Love
right.
it. Bot billionaires, baby. What time are you streaming? I have no idea. I mean, maybe maybe this will be like a staple time. I'm not sure if this is what
We'll see.
do, but
We'll see.
probably let you guys know as soon as I do know. I'll just probably put out a tweet or something. Mr.
Yeah.
Bass never left. He
Might
never
wanna-
stopped being a bot billionaire. That's what
Yeah,
they're saying.
turn your alerts on for all of us because you never know who's going.
Probably not mine. I tweet a lot.
Well, no, you can put just only alerts for live video.
Oh, okay. Well, in that case, please do put notifications on if you're watching for all of us.
Yeah, do
And
that, for
definitely
sure.
give a follow to everyone up here on the panel. Quote tweet, retweet, tag friends on the stream if you enjoyed it. Leave us some memes under Zach's tweet if you can. And I would love to see what we kind of spin up from there. Otherwise, we're going to pop off here. It's been pretty fun. I'm definitely going to be keeping an eye on ABG. And it would be good. I didn't really think about it. Like there really isn't anything on the timeline. It's just kind of pumping, like through word of mouth, I guess, like word of mouth and just networking and stuff. So it's pretty impressive. Maybe we do see a retweet, a quote tweet, a comment from Ilya or something, a spike. But at this point, bro, we're so close to all-time highs. You can't imagine we start downtracking from here. Like, no way we put in all this work building up momentum just to like almost get to the all-time high and just like fail. It feels like it doesn't make any sense, but we'll see what happens.
We'll see.
Sounds good. All right, guys. We'll see everyone later. Have a great night. Happy
we'll see ya.
weekend. Monday, tomorrow, baby. Let's get it. Bree.